Mira is our credit card expert. And so if your mind is swimming right now because I don't know what card to get, I don't know how to use this card, I don't know what to do with these points, we have an entire team of coaches that will help you with exactly that. Every step of the way, hold your hand and help you do exactly what Mira and a whole bunch of us are already doing. Mira, we're talking a little bit of Amex today.
Okay, you guys, you know that we talk a lot about Chase, but Amex is very, very powerful, and sometimes even 2 to 4 times more powerful than Chase. Definitely more powerful than Capital One and Citi, and I'm not gonna even talk about any other credit card. I want you to remember one thing. People usually make a mistake in the order that they apply for Amex, so I'm going to show you what to do and how to do. Amex points are called membership rewards. They are very easy to earn, and we're going to show you how. But remember one thing, start with Chase. Why? Because you can always start with Chase and go and get Amex later, but a lot of times if you start with Amex or other cards, you might not be able to go back to Chase. Before you start with Amex, you need to have practiced with Chase and complete the higher challenge that's in our book. You need to be able to get 10% back from Chase's points and familiar with the penny per point rule. Okay, when it comes to Amex, there are many options. Amex has so many cards. There are Amex Platinum, Amex Gold, and Amex Green that you just saw that earn membership rewards points. And they are Delta Platinum, Delta Gold, Hilton Amex, Marriott Amex cards. Those are different. The branded Amex card earn the brand's points. So a lot of people assume that the Platinum Amex is the better card. That is not exactly correct and not true for most of you, and I'm gonna tell you why. As you can see, the Amex Gold earns you 4 points at supermarkets, US supermarkets, and 4 points on restaurants. Let's face it, you guys eat more than you travel, right? So you're going to earn a lot of points with that Amex Gold. Also, for people who have a Sapphire preferred credit card, remember that that card gives you 2 points on everything travel related, and this Amex Gold gives you 3 points on airfare. So whenever you're booking, remember that your Amex Gold is going to give you 50% more points if you book your airfare from the airlines directly. The rest of the things that you're seeing on this slide are the benefits that Amex gives you on an annual basis. Those are benefits that you can get from just having the credit card, and those are not all of them. But I'm going to tell you about the Amex Platinum next, just so you can see that 4x on supermarkets and restaurants is better than the Amex's Platinum 5 points on airfare. That is the earning rate on the Amex Platinum. That's it. You can also get 5 points on prepaid hotels, but those have to be booked from the Amex's portal. On the other hand, the Amex Platinum has crazy benefits. Like you can see, they give you 200 in Uber rides, 600 a year for hotel stays, 200 for incidentals on airlines, Saks Fifth Avenue 100, Lululemon 300, and those are just a few. The Amex Platinum gives you free lounge access as well, TSA pre-check, clear all global entry, and several status with hotels and car rentals. But a lot of people are scared of the annual fees. Let me teach you something. We don't pay annual fees in JGOOT. We get the money back from those benefits that I mentioned before, and I asked you to put them together. With the Amex Gold credits, you can get a minimum of $500 back in benefits if you book one stay at the hotels, the Global Collection hotels. If you book more, that's $100 on top of it. The annual fee is $325, so you're getting more money than you actually pay. With the Platinum, those benefits are just unbelievable. So you can get over $3,500 versus the annual fee on Amex is $895. So you can use your Amex cards for earning multipliers. You can earn membership rewards from a lot of other things. I'm going to talk about the 3 most common ones: the Amex offers, the Rakuten, and the point stacking. The Amex offer. So when you get into your account, you will see on the bottom of the homepage that they can be 100 plus Amex offers for different stores, different things that you can do, entertain, whatever it is, it's going to be there. The Amex site is going to show you exactly 100. So Rakuten is another thing that Amex is great with. You can switch your cashback from Rakuten to Amex, and it's going to pay you. Rakuten, instead of sending you a check for cash back, it will pay you in membership rewards, which is awesome. You can see that you can use PayPal and get a check, you can get a paper check, or you can be getting points. And one of the things I'm sorry about all the time is that I didn't know about it before JGOOT. So the last thing was point stacking. You can use shopping portals, Chases, Amex cards to pay with them, Rakuten as a shopping portal, and do stacking with them. So you're getting the points on your Amex and Chase cards, you're getting the points on the shopping portal like Rakuten, or on an airline shopping portal like American Airlines or whatever. So we are not buying miles. We are doing our everyday spend in the grocery store, in the restaurant, buying flights through the Amex Gold or the Platinum. You have to eat, you fly. You're going to spend that money anyway. Why put it on a different credit card when this one gives you so much more? There is no other credit card out there that has transferable points and gives you 4 points per dollar spent in groceries and restaurants. You know what? You can be great at earning and not that good at redeeming, and you're still gonna get better value for your points than the average Joe, and vice versa. You may, like me, not be very good at earning, but when you're great at redeeming points, again, you're getting an amazing value out of your points. So how do we redeem, right? The same way as we had earning multipliers, we have redemption multipliers. And the easiest way for you to practice that, again, start with Hyatt, that's the easiest. But when it comes to flights, start with coach flights, okay? They are sometimes 10 to 20 times more seat in coach than they are in business. So it's easier to find points or award tickets in economy class than it is to find in business. So practice with that. Remember this. If you go with this 50,000 points and buy a ticket from the Amex's or Chase's portal, all you're gonna get is going to be $500 worth of points. We don't do that. We transfer these points out. We send them to an airline or a hotel. We send it to any partner we can send it to, so we can get a lot more than the $500 or $750. Do not ever redeem your membership rewards points for Amex statement credit. Booking something through the Amex portal, they will sell you that Singapore flight, guys. They will. But they will ask you for your firstborn and everything in between. Or Amazon credits, right?
Yeah.
It's a cent per point. It's 0.6 cents per point sometimes. No, transfer those points out.
Somebody asked, I had an Amex Gold card for decades. This year I upgraded to a Platinum to capitalize on a 140,000 point offer. I use the Platinum card to pay for everything. Here's the question. I assume Platinum points spend the same as Gold.
Correct, but they don't earn the same as Gold. So if I was you in this case, I would go and downgrade back to a Gold and get my 4 points on groceries and restaurants instead of earning 1 point on everything and just 5 on flights with that Amex Platinum.
That earning multipliers, go back and watch that and look at the differences between those two cards, because that definitely adds up to quite a bit. Mira, other than the perks, people have to look at the perks and benefits of each card, but as far as the points go, does it matter whether it's a business or a personal card?
No, the points are the same. The perks are different, and the earning is different. If you don't have a name in front of that Amex, whether it's Amex Gold, Amex Business Gold, Amex Platinum Business, Platinum Green, Business Green, Blue Business Plus, those are all cards that earn you membership rewards points.
Yep, that's the key that you're looking for. It needs to say membership reward points. If you're earning those, you know that you're safe. Comment here. Mira, big thank you. I mentioned at the very beginning, Mira is our credit card expert. And so if your mind is swimming right now because I don't know what card to get, I don't know how to use this card, I don't know what to do with these points, we have an entire team of coaches that will help you with exactly that. every step of the way, hold your hand, and help you do exactly what Mira and a whole bunch of us are already doing. You can visit that site that Joel mentioned there, jgoot.com/call. Have a quick chat with one of our advisors, and they'll get you pointed in the right direction. And if it's a great fit for you, we'll tell you why and help you get started. If it's not, that's okay. We'll point you to something that is a better fit for you.